Good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, I am also doing well. Hope you are also doing well. Well, literature time, and I am with you with a beautiful piece of story that is Oliver Asks for More. See, before we start this story, let me tell you something about the author, Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens, born in 1812, he was a very famous English poet. His focus always remained on social issues. His masterpieces were Oliver Twist, Great Expectations, Patrick Papers, Bleak House, A Tale of Two Cities. If you get time, please do read. And David Copperfield. This brought him a lot of name and fame all over the world. And I do not know how much you have heard about him, but till you reach your class 10th, there would be none who has not read 2 or 3 masterpieces of this famous writer. See, we are starting the story, and before I start this story, let me tell you, this is not the full story. Oliver Asks for More is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist, about an orphan boy named Oliver who is brought to a children's home. His dismal state of affairs of the home and the treatment they mete out to the children is described here. Mr. Bumble walked on the long strides. Little Oliver, firmly grasping his gold-laced cuff, trotted beside him. Oliver had not been within the walls of a workhouse a quarter of an hour when Mr. Bumble informed him that the board had said he was to appear before it forthwith. Have you understood the story so far? Okay. देखिए, here it is important to note that Oliver was following Mr. Bumble, who walked on with long strides. और जब बड़ा आदमी लंबे लंबे पैर कदम लेकर के चलता है, तो छोटे बच्चे को तो the child has to just trot on. Could you get the meaning of trot on? Okay. Oliver had not been within the walls of a workhouse a quarter of an hour. अभी तो quarter of an hour. Quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Half an hour is 30 minutes. तो अभी तो 15 मिनट भी नहीं बीते थे उसको. When Mr. Bumble informed him, क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिली? That the board had said he was to appear before it forthwith. उसको बता दिया गया कि बोर्ड ने बोला है कि अपीयर होना है बोर्ड के सामने. Let's read further. Further, the story goes like this. Not having a very clearly defined notion of what a live board was, Oliver was rather astonished by this information and was quite certain whether he ought to laugh or cry. देखिए, एक बात तय है कि जब आपको ये पता ही ना हो कि जो पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दी गई है वो व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ इट, आपने कभी उसके बारे में सुना नहीं। तो नेचुरली दिस वॉज द सेम केस विद द चाइल्ड। ही वॉज नॉट नोइंग व्हाट अ लाइव बोर्ड वॉज। तो इंफॉर्मेशन पे रोए या हंसे, क्या करे, उसको तो कुछ पता नहीं था। लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी फर्दर। He had no time to think about the matter. Mr. Bumble asked Oliver to follow him into a large whitewashed room where 8 or 10 fat gentlemen were sitting round a table. 8 or 10 fat gentlemen were sitting, and this is the condition with most of the board members. Board members आप अक्सर मोटे मोटे पेट वाले ही बैठे दिखाई देंगे आपको। चलिए, स्टोरी में मजा आ रहा है। लेट्स नो द स्टोरी फर्दर। आगे देखते हैं। एट द टॉप ऑफ द टेबल, seated in an armchair, rather higher than the rest, was a particularly fat gentleman with a very round red face. Bow to the board, said Bumble. Oliver brushed away 2 or 3 tears that were lingering in his eyes, and seeing no board but the table, bowed to that. देखिए, now the child did not know what a board is. उसको पता ही नहीं था कि जो 8-10 मोटे मोटे लोग बैठे हैं उनको बोर्ड बोलते हैं। When he was told कि bow to the board, बोर्ड को नमस्ते बोलो, तो उसने देखा बोर्ड तो कहीं नहीं है, एक टेबल पड़ी है, तो उसने टेबल को नमस्ते कर दिया। What to do? He did not understand the meaning of the board, so he said namaste to the table. He could not see the board anywhere, and he did not know that the 8 motus sitting over there were the board members. और अब होते हैं सवाल जवाब शुरू। लेकिन ये सवाल जवाब क्या होते हैं ये हम जानेंगे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार। मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस भेज रहा हूं, उनके आंसर दीजिएगा।